Master the magic word using please in English requests. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering the art of conversation in English. Today, we're going to discuss a magic word that makes your requests sound polite and respectful, please. We'll explore its proper usage, nuances, and provide examples to help you better understand and incorporate it into your daily English conversations. The word please is used to make a request more polite. Politeness is an essential aspect of communication, particularly in English. By using please, you demonstrate respect towards the person you're speaking to and indicate that you are asking for a favor, not making a demand. Let's dive into some examples to see please in action. Typically, please can be placed at the beginning of a request to add a polite tone. Here are a few examples. Please, could you pass the salt? Please, may I borrow your pen? Please, would you open the window? Notice how the requests start with please, immediately indicating the speaker's intention to be polite. Another common usage of please is at the end of a request. It's especially used in this manner in British English, but it's understood and accepted in all English-speaking regions. Here are some examples. Could you pass the salt, please? May I borrow your pen, please? Would you open the window, please? Here, please is used at the end of the sentence, giving a slightly more formal tone to the request. Occasionally, please can also be inserted in the middle of a request, specifically after the subject and before the verb. This usage is less common but still acceptable. See these examples. Could you please pass the salt? May I please borrow your pen? Would you please open the window? As you can see, using please in this way provides emphasis to the politeness of the request, almost as if the speaker is pleading or very earnest in their request. And there you have it. The use of the magic word, please, in English. It's such a simple word, but it carries a lot of weight in making your requests sound more polite and respectful. Practice using please in your daily conversations, and you'll find it goes a long way in improving your communication skills. As always, keep practicing, and remember that the key to mastering any language is consistency and perseverance. See you in our next video, where we'll continue unraveling the secrets of English conversational phrases. Happy learning, and please don't forget to practice.